Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to make a single reservation in the new open T-sheet. First, you must log into your member account. Once logged in, you select the Make a Reservation tab on the top right hand side of the screen, and from the drop down box you will select tee times. Once you reach the course selection pane, you're going to select your preferred golf course. And once entering the actual tee sheet, you will then select your date in which you wish to make your reservation. Once you have gotten to the date you wish to make your reservation, all available tee times will be displayed, and those in blue will be available for reservation. Once you select your preferred time, the reservation window will appear. Once in this screen, you will have 10 minutes as indicated by the timer in the bottom left corner to complete your reservation. When adding additional players to this reservation, you have three options. You can type the member's name in through this selection window. If you have a preset group that you have saved from a prior reservation, you can use the Groups tab, or you can use the Buddies tab on the far right hand side. If you have not yet made a buddy list, please take a look at our how-to video on how to create your buddy list. Once in the buddy list, you can select any player that is listed in your buddy list to add to your registration by checking the plus sign left of the player's name. Once those players have been added to your reservation, you select the Create Reservation button, where you'll be redirected to the tee sheet showing your newly created reservation on the tee sheet. No further steps are required.